Guys, for today's video, we are gonna be building the beach, and I think we already showed it, right? Bruh, we are gonna be building the real beach. That's just the houses for the beach.
Oh, no, sorry.
Bruh.
No! Why did you just push it?
Yes. I Hello there.
Squish villager. Are you
Guys, he
okay?
is actually squishing. Let's build the actual. Build the floor out of gravel.
Yes, sir. Noted.
I'm gonna design. Wait.
A gravel, bro. Bro. A
What?
gravel.
Yep. Gravel.
Bravo. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm designing. This place needs some design because it's the beach. Beaches are. Subscribe if you like to go to the beach. Let's go over here. Bruh.
Let's make a gate over here, bro.
No,
Here.
don't.
Okay.
We need more gravel.
Over that side.
All over to the parking.
Oh, no.
You go on the other side.
This must be long video, guys. So I think there's a part 2.
Yes, because we need to build the whole beach.
Yeah.
We haven't even built
Yeah.
The-
sand.
the beach. The real beach. That is just the houses to stay on.
Gravel is only the fake sand.
Yep.
Guys, don't forget.
This is not the real sand.
Yeah. We will build it. Build it next time.
Yep. So we don't know if what part are we gonna build the real beach,
Yeah.
cause it's gonna take long.
So
It's gonna be long.
subscribe, guys.
Yep.
You can subscribe. And
We're one
comment
subscribers.
down below how you rate this.
We're 1 subscribers away from 30 subscribers.
Yeah, so subscribe now.
If you want us to see live streaming, we gotta reach 50 subscribers.
Yeah, so now subscribe, guys, please. Please. We're just a newbie, but please subscribe.
Yep. You need 50 subscribers to live stream in mobile. So, yeah. Subscribe if you're a mobile player.
Subscribe.
Bro, what is this sheep doing here? I'm gonna kill it. Kill it. Yes. I'm strong. Me too. Don't be too mean. There we
I'm
go.
so sorry, sheep, but your
Why
eyes is
Why are you talking to the sheep when the sheep is dead?
oh sorry. Talking to the heaven, bro. I'm not talking to the sheep. Talking to the heaven. Sheep, I'm so sorry. Oh, nah.
Look, here he is.
Bruh.
That is the
Animal
sheep.
to be blocked. Two blocks, bro. You see
The
that?
animals are blocks.
Yeah, bro.
There's, bruh, I accidentally broke this. Wait.
Is it okay now?
There we go. The gravel. Yes, sir. Bruh,
What happened? Why?
the animals turning into blocks is crazy.
Yeah,
What if that
bro.
happens in real life?
OMG, I'm just saying wow.
Why did you even say wow? There's a chicken.
Ooh,
And
a
it's
chicken.
gonna turn into a raw chicken and a feather.
Bro.
This
In real life, the chicken, if chicken die, it will go to be a fried chicken.
but you have to cook it first.
Yeah, bro.
Like in Minecraft.
Hey you, why did you? Hey you!
Guys, what do you like us to do more? Minecraft videos or Roblox videos?
Sorry guys, I don't have Roblox because this is my tablet. So
I'm gonna make Roblox videos
I
cause
can't
I'm gonna have a
download,
new
guys.
phone. I'm
next
gonna have
time
a
I will.
So that's why. And this game is not out anymore. This is not the real Minecraft.
Wow, why
so
there's so many sheep, bro?
bruh,
You're making a,
the pigs. Bruh,
you're
I'm gonna
making
kill
a
this.
dirt, bro. That is
Dirt is disgusting. Disgust.
like this.
Yeah.
This.
We still have so much gravel to go, bro.
Yeah, bro. It's okay.
Yes, a few more.
Ah,
Yes, a few more only. A couple more gravel.
I will make some gravel.
Let's go.
This beautiful, bro.
This looks
Should I
good.
make some torches from if it's night time?
Yep.
Okay.
Place down some torches. I thought we're done, but there's still more over here.
I should design the lights. It's glowstone, trapdoor, and leaves. Like in the parking lot, because it's
Yep.
so dark if it's nighttime.
Yep. Help me over here.
What?
What are you doing there? Are you plating some torches already?
Yes. Not torches, glowstone.
Where are you?
I'm at the parking lot, bro.
Oh, so we can add designs.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
This.
is it good looking or bad looking? Rate this in the comments, guys. If this is a nice beach or a not nice beach. I will rate, so far I will rate this like bruh, why this
Why?
this is dangerous,
Bro, why?
bruh.
Does it have
The gravel is floating.
place more and more lights over lights here? I use some jungle fence and glowstone and clips. Oh, clips.
Why not acacia fence?
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh.
Why did we
Why? Why?
we all I mean I forgot what I'm saying.
OMG, bro. Why? Why did you just forget it? Forget it. Like this and this. Yo, bro.
This is actually looking good. Yep.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Just work.
I can't break the block.
Why?
Help.
Are you lagging
Yep.
or else?
I think I'm lagging.
You can break now, bro.
Yep. Now I can break. Why can't I break things when you are not here? Let's go to the beach. So gonna make things.
Just for this working. This is for our.
This is actually so hard. Let's do this and then this.
Like that.
Does this look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
That looks bad. Wait a minute.
That's a slab, bro.
That looks good, bro. That looks so good, actually.
Beach. Whoa! That looks good, bro. So good.
Let's do this.
I think the sea more fatter, bro.
Yep.
It looks.
Let's do. Guys, we gotta do this in the part 2.
Yeah.
I'm low battery, so bye, guys.
Bye.
Like and subscribe and comment down below what you rate this beach. Again. Bye.